So my daughter have birthday this month, and I want to make her one painting, and I think this painting go like this, and that is a Gemini constellation. So if you are Gemini, you can draw this with me, and if you know someone who is Gemini, you can maybe have cool birthday present for them. So the other one goes like this, and here, and also here, like that, and it is almost like little legs. So, and then like this. And this is our constellation for Gemini, and we're using these beautiful colors because I think they all look really nice, and I want to make, I don't know, maybe like this first, this blue, darkish blue first, and it will go like this, and then maybe this one blue, it will go like that, and then we mix everything with this beautiful purple, and we adding a little bit more water, and we adding this purple here, and here also, and maybe like this, and else maybe also somewhere here. And now we need this to dry, but first I want to add more of this beautiful purple, and with a little more water I want to add some like stars around. So that is that, and I see that I didn't paint here. Now I will mix everything together, and I want to fix this part, so like this, and that is our sky, like midnight sky or something, and maybe to add a little more interest here, because this is pretty monotone, and something like this, and that is our sky. And now we are drying this. And now when we are dry, I want to clean this, because this is a super small amount of paint, and I need new clean plate for my gold, and that is that one. And I'm using this gold because I don't have a watercolor gold, so I will use this acrylic paint, and I think it's very beautiful gold, so we are using this beautiful gold with this super tiny brush, and we need to do this. So I'm not sure, do I see? Maybe should I put this like that? And I want to paint and these little arms. And then this long like body. And like the legs. This paint is so thick, but if I put more water, I will need to go 100 times with my brush. And I think that is that. And now the other one of Gemini. So it is one long line here, and the other one here, and this one here, and these little arms. So one is here, almost touching with this one. The other one is here. So I added these little dots here where the stars are. But I wanted them to look more like stars. So I will wait this to be dry a little bit more, and now I will add a little more interest on these stars, like some something with it. So like this and that. And I think that is that. Now we're drying. And maybe no, wait a minute, I remember now. Maybe we need to add a little bit of this, gold. Maybe like some splashes of gold. So, because I'm mooch, because I'm cheap, and I don't want this to dry. I think that is it. I'm satisfied with this painting, and we need to clean this till it is wet, because later, yes, that is that. And that is a gift for my daughter. I'm pretty satisfied. I don't know, what do you think, guys? I know she will love this. And that is all for me today. See you in another one. Bye.